Hello guys, welcome to my channel Skill Tech India, and this is the part 3 of my playlist. And if you just missed my previous video, so I will share my previous video link in video description. Okay guys, so without any delay, let's start. So you can see in my screen that this one is the agenda of this video. So there are the 3 points which we'll discuss in the today video. So the first agenda is show AWS exam result card. The second one is introduce with the currently and download a AWS badge. And the third one is I will show you that how AWS badge in real, how we can use in real life, and how we can share in the social media. So without any delay, let's start. So the first agenda is show AWS exam result card. So guys, you also know that in my previous video or part 2, I will show basically I show you that in my previous video that we have just download my admit card, and after some days on the date of the exam, basically I given to for the exam center and given exam of the AWS, and in my first attempt so I perfectly clear, or you can say the correct, my AWS Cloud Practitioner exam. So guys, okay, so now I will show you the admit. So basically I will show you my exam result card. So for show the admit card result, so we need to firstly log in my AWS training account. So I just come on the Google and I just type the AWS Cloud Practitioner exam. Okay, so you can type other things also, because we need to log in on the AWS training program. Okay, so like suppose I just click on this button, and I just click on the sign in to console, not a console. I just click on this button, schedule an exam, because if I click on this one, so it is automatically directly navigate to the particular training login part. Okay, so I need to click on the sign in button. When you click on the sign in, so it is asked the login with Amazon button. I just click on this button. So when I click on this login with Amazon, so it's suddenly asked to me like Impressico. Okay, so this is my credential. I just click on sign in button. So when I sign in, I click on the allow. Guys, please follow all the steps as a sequentially. So when I click on this, so it's asking to me go to your account. So I click on go to your account button. So when I click on this button, it directly open a new tab in my Chrome. So this, now I just come on the AWS training and certification dashboard. Okay, so you can see my mouse. If you want to download your exam result, so you need to click on this achieve certification, click. Okay, so I think I need to click the exam history also. Certificate exam, yeah, perfect. So guys, you need to click on the exam history button. Okay, so when I click on this button, so you can see on our mouse cursor, so in the right hand side you can see the score report, and the just below a button is enable is a blue color. Click on the download button. So when I click on this button, so it's automatically download a PDF file of my report card. So when I click on open this button, so suddenly it's open my a report card. You can say the exam result. So guys, you can see this is my screen, and you can see that this is my name, and it is my exam date, and this is my ID, and this is my score is 771. And you also know that in my first video I described that you need at least 700 marks out of 1000 if you want to crack this exam, you crack this certification exam. So in my first attempt, I perfectly, you can say I smoothly crack this exam after some couple of studies and after some couple of notes created by myself also. So this is my admit card of AWS. Okay, so now I just jump on my second agenda of this video. So now I just jump on the agenda number 2. So I will introduce with currently and download a AWS badge. Okay guys, so now I will show you what is currently and how we can download our AWS badge. Okay, so again jump on this. Okay, so now this time I need to click on the digital badge, because we need to download the digital badge. And but if you need to download the AWS digital badges, so firstly you need to sign in the Credly digital bagging platform. So guys, please click on this link. When I click on this link, so it suddenly open a new tab. Okay, and when I click on this, so probably it need to like Credly sign in. Okay, so it is showing like your session expire, so I need to click on this, and either you can enter your credential or you can click on continue with Google. So I click on continue with Google. Oh, it is asking my like user account. So I think I forgot my uh, so I don't know my credential exactly, but I try to like something. Oops. So in my second time I just enter the correct password, so I click on the no thanks. So when I enter the correct credentials, so it's perfectly login in Credly account. So guys, I again repeat that you need to click on this button, sign in Credly digital betting platform. So after the click on this one, it directly navigate to a Credly dashboard. So now you can see in my dashboard that is a directly indicating that welcome Nagin, that's my name, and they are giving some message like congratulations or your most recent badge. So this is my current, recently I just received a badge after crack my AWS Cloud Practitioner exam. Okay, so now I jump on the agenda. So agenda is how we can download this AWS badge. Okay, and the yeah, so when I click on the share button, so you can see in the right hand side the bottom a button is hover like this one, download badge image. So when I click on this one, so it might asking like what is the exact dimension you need to require. So you can select as per your requirement. So I just select the default is like 132 132, and when I click on the download image button, so smoothly the Credly is downloaded this batch in your local machine perfectly. So you can see in the right hand side bottom a badge is downloaded in my system, and I just click on this button. So now I download the AWS batch images. Okay, so now the agenda is 2 is completed. So our agenda number 2 is completed. So now I jump on the agenda number 3. So the agenda number 3 is use AWS badge in the real life and share your badge with social media. Okay, so the agenda number 3 is basically I will show you that how we can now how can I use this badge in my real life. Okay, so for use this badge in the real life, so guys I will show you that how we can attach this badge in my email signature. Okay, so this will give in some more expression, yeah, some more attractive view your email, and this is the more like impact on the other end. So this is like a complex term, but I can show you that how we can use the AWS badge in my real life using email. Okay, so I just click on this setting button. Firstly I just open the email, and then I click on the setting button. I click on the see all setting. So basically we are creating a signature. Okay, and in this signature we use this AWS badge. So after this badge you can see that your email is looking more attractive for the other person. Okay, so now I just jump a little bit, scroll down. Okay, and where is signature, yeah, this one. So I just click on the create new. So I just type like these are asking like a natural name new signature. I just click the AWS Cloud Practitioner. Okay, perfect. So I click on the create button. So when I click on this one, so the right hand side they are asking some like text box. So I need to type here Zandaginder Pratap Chauhan. Okay, and this bottom I just like the senior full stack analyst. Okay, So now I just given some more attractive, so I need to click on this, I need to bold this button, and after this I can, in the below, I use the image, right now I use the batch of the AWS. So I click on the insert image, and in my download file I need to add the batches upload. So I click on this. So I need to download the batch from my local to my server. So I click on this button. When I click on this button, it's uploading from my local to my server, Gmail server. So now you can see that it's like looking like this one. So if you not like resize, so perfect, so guys. Okay, so this one. So I need to save this functionality. So I click on the save changes button. Okay, and so the signature is added. So now you all are thinking that how we can use this signature. So like suppose I creating a compose a new mail, okay, and I just sending to the another like this one, and I just the testing AWS badge testing. Okay, so hi skill tech India, skill tech India did this, please subscribe my channel. Oh, okay, and in the below there is something icon, its name is pen, like something pen types some icon, and when I hover this icon, so it's given some insert signature, okay, as a autofill you can say. So when I click, sorry, it's a placeholder. So when I click on this button, so it's like asking like no signature, but when this time I need to click on AWS Cloud Practitioner. So when I suddenly click on this button, so it suddenly automatic all the signature which you created just before couple of minutes. Okay, so I just remove this. Okay, and full stack, perfect. So maybe, okay, you can change, so you can also change this type of functionality in the Aclum signature also. So when I click on the send button, so it's sending to the Nagendra Pratap Chauhan's other Gmail. So I just click on the my another Gmail, I just refresh this button. So when I refresh this button, so where is my email? I click on the again refresh button. Okay, perfect. So I receive on this email, and it's email received from the skill tag India. I just click this email and it's open, and now guys you can see this email is given more attractive and more impact to the receiver side. So when the receiver received your email, so in the below your AWS batch is represent to the another person. So the another person, yeah, another guys easily identify that you are a perfect AWS Cloud Practitioner certified person. Okay, so guys, I hope you all understand that how we can download the AWS batch, how we can use the AWS batch in my email also. So this is the main agenda of this video, and okay, so now you can easily use the AWS batch in your real life. And the another thing is I can show you that how you can share your AWS batch in the social media applications. Okay, so I just close this button. Okay, and in this box you can see the share your achievement on social media. So this is the last agenda of my this video. So you can just click on the every icon, like if you want to share your badges on Twitter, LinkedIn or Facebook. So don't worry, just click on this button. Like suppose you just click on like Facebook button, so your AWS badges is directly share with your social media via Facebook. Okay, so I can also show you that which types of look. So if you just click on this button, so it's all the template is provided by the AWS, and you don't need to worry about like typing something. Just click on the post to the Facebook, and if you click on the post of the Facebook, so you all the information is shared with your social media, and all the guys, yeah, all the your friends, your mutual friends is easily identify that you are a perfect cloud practitioner person. Okay, so guys, I think the whole this is the you can say this is the part 3 of this video, and I have clear all your point. This was the agenda of the today video, and the last video in my this will be the part 4. So in the part 4 I will provide some mock questions. Yeah, you can say the dumb questions. So this will be the last video of this playlist, and hope guys I will upload my next video in after a couple of days. So I hope guys you will enjoy my video, and I hope you will enjoy my journey also. So please guys like my channel, subscribe my channel, sorry, like my video, subscribe my channel, and please share my video. If everyone want to crack the AWS cloud certification, so please guys share this video with this person which are need to. Okay, so thank you guys, bye bye, meet in the next video.